Up to the present day, scientists have discovered 118 elements. Some of these have been made naturally in stars, but some are made artificially. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of how these different atoms are joined together in various ways to make everything around us. Example: a tree, a person, tables, and everything is made up of atoms. The universe is made up of three things. What makes this even more amazing is that each atom is made up of just 3 subatomic particles. The subatomic particles are protons, neutrons and electrons. So everything around us are made up of these 3 things arranged in different way. See how amazing it is.